Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
On the fence about buying a new electric vehicle, Ford is giving would-be buyers an extra push with an offer for free home chargers and installation. Model E Customer Experience Senior Director Becca Anderson says the company's research has found some common concerns.
How do I fill up my vehicle at home? It's a whole new behavior. Also, how do I charge the vehicle on road? How does public charging actually work? How does caring for the vehicle actually work? Who has my back? How does it work to drive a vehicle that has a battery? How can I feel more confident around that?
The free home charger and installation is just part of what Ford is offering electric vehicle customers, whether purchasing or leasing. Find more info at Ford.com.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.